Okay, so tips about creating graphics. Use Photoshop if you are experienced and understand it. That would be the best way to do it. You're going to get the highest definition, highest quality, everything. Personally, that doesn't work for me. I don't own Photoshop, and I don't really, right now, I don't really care to learn it. So I'd rather pay someone to do that. But if you know Photoshop, just go ahead and use those dimensions and go whip up some photos. Alternatively, you can use PowerPoint, which is what I do. You convert your page setup to inches. I'm going to show you how to do that because I don't think you can see this. Maybe I'll do this just in case you can. I don't know if you're going to be able to actually see my drop-down menu. Right now, I'm clicking on PowerPoint on this slideshow. I'm clicking File, and then I'm going down to under File. I'm going to something called Page Setup. And when I click on Page Setup, it brings up. And again, you might not be seeing this, and if you can't see it, don't worry. Just listen, and you'll get it. I clicked File, then Page Setup, and then right here, see, it's got inches. I could actually type in the width and the height of the exact inches of the thumbnail. So let's say I want to create an ad for the right side ads or whatever. I go look at the automatic, I go look at the size of inches, and I go put it in there and put it in there, and then press OK. It'll change the dimension of this PowerPoint right now. And then once I change the dimensions to be the right size, then I go to File, Save As, and I'll call this like, Facebook ad thumbnails. And then boom, I have a template that is the exact size of Facebook ad thumbnails. Okay? Once I have that template, then all I have to do is just create slides that are graphics. I can go, okay, I want to have a yellow background or a red background, or I want to have a red border, and you can just start adding that kind of stuff to it, and it's actually quite simple to create. Okay, so if you know how to use PowerPoint, it's fun. And then PowerPoint lets you do all kinds of fun stuff like this. There's all kinds of cool things you could do to mess with the graphics. You could drag them around and do all this kind of stuff. For me, it's like, obviously, for those of you that have Photoshop, you're like, why on earth would you ever use PowerPoint? Well, because I've made PowerPoint slides in my life, and it's what I'm comfortable with.